దని తతాని తాని తజీం తజీం తిరనా తజీం తజీం తిరనా దని తతాని తాని తజీం తజీం తిరనా తాది తోం తతగత నరి తతాన గర తానధీం అలరి గలరి తతగతా తార తతగమం తాని తతగతాం తార దీం 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 తకతన అలరి తోం 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 తకతన తని అలరి గీత ధునికి తక్కధీం నా క్రికెట్ తోం నాచ రహే గోరి తాది తై తై తతుం తిరగతుం గీత ధునికి తక్కధీం నా క్రికెట్ తోం నాచ రహే గోరి తాది తై తై తతుం తిరగతుం తాది తై తై తతుం తిరగతుం తాది తై తై తతుం తిరగతుం గీత ధునికి తక్కధీం నీకు తక్కధీం నీకు తక్కధీం
Mohini did not fight in anger. She used her intelligence and stayed calm. This rasa teaches us that fear comes when we use our strength in the wrong way. Be humble, not proud. Use your brain, not violence. Follow rules and listen to the guidance. Power should always come with responsibility. Bhasmasura forgot his values, so he lost control.
So we should use our knowledge wisely and always walk on the path of values. When wisdom guides power, fear disappears. So, Guruji, fear can be a teacher too?
Yes, fear teaches humility, reminds us of balance, and prepares us for Veerta, the Veer Rasa. In the land of Madra, Princess Savitri, wise and courageous, begins her journey to find her destiny.
I seek neither luxury nor comfort. I seek a soul who is brave, truthful, and pure. My heart shall choose, and my courage shall protect that choice.
Princess, the forest is deep. What brings you here?
I do not fear the forest. Fear bows before Dharma. And my heart, it bows before your noble spirit.
I am a prince living in exile.
Birth does not decide worth. Courage does. And in your eyes, I see the fire of truth.
Narad Muni, bless Savitri. She has chosen Satyavan.
Narayana, Narayana. Satyavan is noble, but destiny is cruel. 1 year from today, he shall die.
Savitri, how can you get into sorrow knowingly?
Father, a warrior does not turn back when danger is revealed. A promise once made is stronger than fate itself. I stand by Satyavan, not for an year, but forever.
Savitri, my head spins. Let me rest for a moment.
Satyavan's time is over. His soul must follow me.
Oh Lord Yama, Dharma protects those who protect Dharma. Where my husband goes, I shall follow.
No mortal walks beside death.
Then today, death shall witness a mortal's courage.
You walk without fear. Turn back.
Fear bows before love, and my love is unshakable.
You are exhausting yourself.
My steps may tire, but my resolve never will.
You speak wisely. Ask a boon. Accept the life of Satyavan.
Grant my father-in-law his lost kingdom and vision.
So be it. Now return.
How can I? My duties walk with me.
Another boon then.
Grant me many sons.
So be it. Now stop.
How can I stop without my husband?
Savitri, your courage is greater than fate. Your devotion stronger than death. I return Satyavan's life. Take him.
Savitri, what happened? I felt a darkness.
You rested, dear, and I fought destiny to keep you in my world.
With wisdom, patience, and bravery, Savitri followed Yama and won back Satyavan's life. Veer Rasa, born from the right values, not from anger or force. Stand for the truth. Never give up. Be courageous in difficulties. Use wisdom with bravery. The real strength comes from character.
Courage is my weapon, Dharma is my shield, and love my eternal victory.
We should learn to be brave in studies, honest in actions, and strong in values. Where courage meets values, victory is certain.
Children, now I will tell you of a night when the bravest king felt the chill of disgust. A night in the forest of Vetal, where the corpses whisper and the dead still dream.
Guruji, why would a king enter such a place? Isn't it impure and terrifying?
Vibhatsa is not just fear, it is the mirror of what we avoid: decay, death, and truth. Only those who face disgust can find purity. King Vikramaditya was bound by his promise to carry the corpse possessed by Vetal to a sage. But the forest has its own voice.
Oh, mighty king, you carry me as if I'm treasure. Do you not fear my touch, my breath, my stories?
I have made a vow, Vetal. No impurity, no stench can shake a promise. Speak your story if you must.
Then listen to the tale of the corpse bride. I was once to be a bride. My hands painted with henna. My eyes filled with dreams.
drums of my marriage played, but the drums of fate beat louder. I fell before my groom arrived. They laid me on the pyre, but forgot the wedding fire still waited.
Look, King Vikram, the bride who waited so long that her roses turned to dust, her bangles cracked, her laughter froze. Yet she still dreams of her wedding. Tell me, is this not Vibhats?
No, Vetal. The body may rot, but devotion does not decay. It is the human heart that transforms disgust into compassion.
You see me not with horror, but with respect. Then perhaps my soul may rest. When love sees beyond decay, even death becomes divine.
You answer wisely, O king, but beware. The world worships beauty and forgets reality. Can mankind ever love what it finds repulsive?
Yes, when it learns that disgust and devotions are two faces of the same truth, decay is only the shadow of creation.
So, children, this is Vibhats Rasa, not horror for horror's sake, but the cleansing that comes when one accepts the truth of decay. Vikramaditya was not afraid of the ugly truth. He walked forward with courage and discipline. Bad behavior creates fear and discomfort. Discipline brings cleanliness and order. Truth removes darkness. Self-control makes us strong.
I will not run away from responsibilities. So, we learn to reject bad habits, follow rules, and choose the right path.
For compassion, even decay finds peace. King Vikram walked on his heart unsoiled, his vow unbroken.
Yatra bhayam, tatra moksham. How interesting! Now we are eager to know the next rasa.
In an age long ago, the world trembled under the shadow of Mahishasura, the buffalo demon whose rage scorched the earth. Rivers shrank, crops withered, and the skies thundered with his laughter.
त्रिनयना माणिक्यमौली स्फुरत् शेखरा स्मितमुखी मामीनवक्षोरुहा पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत्पराम्
No god nor man can stop me. I am the storm that swallows all.
Oh, Divine Mother, save us!
सान्निपातिकज्वर सततज्वर विषमज्वर ग्रहनक्षत्रदोषाञ्चाज्ञा सरहरकाणी सरसरगौरी गमगमविद्ये.
The gods, seeing the suffering of the earth, came together and created a radiant form of energy. The warrior goddess Durga.
Mahishasur, your cruelty has ended. I am Shakti, the power that protects creation.
नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो दुर्गे. नमो नमो दुर्गे सुखकरणी नमो नमो अम्बे दुखहरणी निराकार है ज्योति तुम्हारी तीनों लोक फैली उजियारी शशि ललाट मुख महाविशाल नेत्र लाल भ्रुकुटी विकराल रूप मातु को अधिक सुहावे दर्श करत जन अति सुख पावे. नमो नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो दुर्गे नमो नमो दुर्गे.
the mighty ruler of three worlds.
Your pride and cruelty end today. For the sake of innocent, I will defeat you.
शान को संभाले मात कहो माई कहो गले से लगा ले सिद्धि नेत माई भक्त को रिझावे असुर मारे सुर बताए जय जय जगदम्बे नंदिनी नंदित में विश्व विनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवरविंद्र शिरोगिरि वासिनि विश्वविलासिनि कृष्णनुते भगवति हेशिति कंठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवर वर्षिणि गुरुधर दर्शिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनघोषिणि शङ्करघोषिणि निर्विषघोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि विधिसुतरोषिणि दुर्गतशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय भवानी जय अम्बा जय भवानी जय अम्बा
Guruji, is anger always bad?
No, child. When anger defends truth and protects the helpless, only then the truth prevails. This is Raudra. In present time, this Mahishasura is like uncontrolled social media, appearing attractive but weakening discipline and values. With Raudra Rasa, you will learn ethical anger, the anger against bad habits, the anger against distraction. Like Devi Durga, who destroyed Mahishasura. Let's use technology wisely. Do not let screens control your mind. Focus is true power. Discipline defeats distraction.
When control is lost, even good tools become enemies.
But in our school, we learn to control technology, not to be controlled by it. Guruji, I am sad because we are about to know the last rasa.
Don't be sad. This is what we are going to learn. How to control our emotions through Shant Rasa. After the catastrophe of Kalinga, Emperor Ashoka saw the fields covered with blood. He renounced violence and embraced the path of Buddha.
Sir, can peace grow in from war?
Yes, when the heart turns to compassion.
పుట్టింది అక్కలు పుట్టక ముందే లెక్కలు కనిపెట్టింది కొండెక్కాని గుండా ఈ నిప్పుని కాచామే పెను ముప్పే ముందున్నా భయపడని తెగరామే రా ఒకటి పట్టిరా రొమ్మెత్తి పెట్టిరా దండెత్తి కొట్టరా రా రా ఒకటి పట్టిరా రొమ్మెత్తి పెట్టిరా దండెత్తి కొట్టరా రా 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 ఆది జ్వాల అనంత జ్వాల వైర జ్వాల వీర జ్వాల దైవ జ్వాల కామాగ్ని జ్వాల జీవ జ్వాల ప్రాణ జ్వాల సుడిగాలుడు పడగాలుడు విసిరను విలయం పిడుగాగలి జడివానను చల్లెను ప్రళయం ఆకాశం పాతాళం మింగేలా చూస్తున్నా వడికించి నిలబడినోళ్ళం తడబాటుల ఒడిలో పడి పెరిగిన వాళ్ళం దశరాకుల గడిలో మన నలిగిన వాళ్ళం పంచాకుల కోరలతో మన పంచ ప్రాణాలే పోరాడి గెలిచిన వాళ్ళం
పడే అగ్గి జలం మీద పడే కొండ శిలం దాటగల గుండె బలం మనకి ఓవరం మొరటుతనం మొండి ఘటం ఎరుగమట ఏకపటం నిప్పులతో చెలగాటం మనకి సంబరం ఇసక వాయుసక నీటిసక రాతిసక ఒక్కటిగా ఎదురైన బెదురు ఎరుగమే అగ్నికణం వీరగుణం అడుగడుగు బతుకురణం ఆయుధమై అని చేసే ఆటకులమే
ఒకటి పట్టిరా రొమ్మెత్తి పెట్టిరా దండెత్తి కొట్టరా ఒకటి పట్టిరా రొమ్మెత్తి పెట్టిరా దండెత్తి కొట్టరా రా 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 ఆది జ్వాల అనంత జ్వాల వైర జ్వాల వీర జ్వాల దైవ జ్వాల కామాగ్ని జ్వాల జీవ జ్వాల ప్రాణ జ్వాల
No throne is worth this blood. Henceforth, my kingdom shall be of peace.
कहता ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल हम मुसाफिर था जाने दे धूप आंगन में आने दे जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल नीचे है ठंडी सी एक धरती कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल किसकी थम जाने दे इस पल की ये गुजारिश है। मरना क्यों, जी लेना बूंदों को, पी लेना तेरे ही सपनों की बारिश है। पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे, रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे। बहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल।
Shant Rasa teaches us inner peace, not anger, not ego. Choose peace over conflict. Practice kindness and non-violence. Grow with humility.
We should always learn with calm minds, speak with kind words, and live with peaceful hearts.
Today, our stories showed us the 9 emotions of life.
Laughter teaches us joy and confidence. Compassion teaches us kindness. Curiosity creates wonders. Love grows in harmony and respect. Misuse of power creates fear. Courage wins with truth. Bad habits look ugly. Choose discipline. Righteous anger destroys distractions. Control bad habits, not yourself.
Peace is the greatest victory. Stay calm and kind. These 9 rasas are not just stories, they are lessons for life.
Now we have learned to feel deeply, think wisely, and live with values.
When emotions are guided by values, children become responsible citizens of tomorrow.
जैसा है जो तुम वैसा ही उसको रहने दो, कहता है जो तुम वैसा ही उसको कहने दो। छोड़ो ये चिंता औरों की क्यों तुम अपनी करो, खुद को तो देखो, खुद को टटोलो तुम कौन हो। न नजरों का हम बदल दे नजरिया, सूखे पत्ते में भी देखे हम मोर का, यही जरूरी 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 है। अपनी उंगली को खुद पे घुमाए, अंधी है आदत तो रास्ता दिखाए, यही जरूरी 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 है। शैतानों में सुधर जा भी छेद हुआ नहीं है नाव में, जैसा है जो तुम वैसा ही उसको रहने दो, कहता है जो तुम वैसा ही उसको कहने दो। छोड़ो ये चिंता औरों की क्यों तुम अपनी करो, खुद को तो देखो खुद को टटोलो तुम कौन हो। नजरों का हम बदल दे नजरिया, सूखे पत्ते में भी देखे हम मोर का, यही जरूरी 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 है। अपनी उंगली को खुद पे घुमाए, अंधी है आदत तो रास्ता दिखाए, यही जरूरी 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 है।
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on.
भला जो भी हुआ वो सब भूल जा, कर दे दफन खुद को ही तू फिर से जिंदा हो जा। जन्मदिन अब मना तू आज इंसान बना, हर कोई ये करे जश्न यूं चलता रहे, फिर भला मरने से कोई क्यों डरे, क्यों डरे।
नजरों का हम बदल दे नजरिया,
सूखे पत्ते में भी देंगे हम और पापा,
यही जरूरी 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 है।
अपनी उंगली को खुद पे घुमाए,
अंधी है आदत तो रास्ता दिखाए,
यही जरूरी 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 है।
That was a beautiful expression of life through emotions.
Truly wonderful. We have brought Navrasa, the 9 emotions, alive with grace and expression. A huge round of applause.
I would now like to invite our head of academics, Miss Lizzie Rovena, upon the stage to extend a heartfelt gratitude.
Respected parents, dear teachers, and wonderful children, as this powerful song echoes through our hearts tonight, it gently asks us one simple question again and again. क्यों ना नजरों को हम बदल दे नजरिया. Why don't we change how we look at our children? Today, through Navras, our children showed us joy, courage, compassion, wonder, fear, strength, and self-reflection. Every emotion they expressed reminds us that a child is not meant to be molded into someone else, but to be understood for what they already are. The song reminds us, "Jaise hai jo tum waise hi usko rehne do." Let children be who they are. Each child standing on the stage carries a different emotion, a different rhythm, a different dream. And that diversity is not a weakness, it's a beauty. When the world constantly compares, labels, and pressures, this song gently tells us, "Chode o chinta aur ki kyon tum apni karo." Stop worrying about others, focus on your own journey. As parents and educators, let's pause and reflect. Are we listening to our children, or are we trying to write their stories for them? Because real growth begins when we say, "Khud ko to dekho, khud ko tatolo, tum kon ho," and allow our children the same space to discover themselves. The song beautifully reminds us that imperfections are human. Our children don't need to be perfect, they need to be accepted. And when habits, expectations, or societal pressures binds us, the song urges us, "Andhi ho, aadat to rasta dikhao," not to force but to guide. Dear parents, today we request you, allow your children to explore, to feel deeply, to fail, to raise, and become for their own version of success. Let them celebrate life every day, because this is what is most important. Yahi zaruri, zaruri, zaruri hai. As we bring this beautiful evening to close, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this annual day a grand success. To our respectful management, thank you for your vision, trust, and constant support. To our teachers who rehearsed tirelessly, believed in every child, and turned emotions into expressions. This celebration is your dedication on stage. To our students, you are the soul of this evening, and you didn't just perform, you felt, you expressed, and you all inspired us. To our parents, I want to say 90% of Cambridge students have participated today, and it's all because of your all support. A big claps to all of you. Thank you for your patience during practices, your encouragement at home, and for trusting us with your children. To our support staff, in charges, technicians, and helpers, your behind the scenes efforts made this magic visible. And finally, thank you everyone present here tonight for celebrating emotions, individuality, and purpose with us. Let's walk away remembering, Jaise hai jo tum, waisa hi usko rehne do. Good night. Thank you all. Over to Gayatri ma'am and Venkatesh sir.
Good evening. We sincerely appreciate and commend the dedicated efforts of the following individuals who single-handedly managed and contributed their respective sections with exceptional commitment and excellence. The professionalism, leadership, and tireless efforts played a vital role in making our annual day celebration a grand success and truly graceful. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for their valuable contribution. Our dance master, Mr. Vishwanath Sharma. We sincerely appreciate Mr. Vishwanath for his exceptional dedication and leadership in the dance section, which added the grace and excellence to the annual day celebration. His commitment and artistic vision were truly be commendable.
Next is our Master Suman, music sir. We commend Mr. Suman for his professional expertise and tireless efforts in the music section, greatly enhancing the overall impact of the annual day program. His contribution significantly elevated the quality of the performances.
Suman sir! Whoa! Teacher, Miss Usha. We express our heartfelt appreciation to Miss Usha for her creative excellence and committed handling of art section, contributing significantly to the visual appeal of the event. Her artistic contributions reflected fitness and attention to the detail.
Our event coordinator, Mr. Sujal Kumar Singh. We appreciate Mr. Sujal for his efficient coordination and responsible management of the event, playing a key role in the smooth execution of the annual day. His planning and execution ensured a well-organized program. Thank you, Sujal sir.
Designer, Mr. Jibin. We acknowledge Mr. Jibin for his outstanding design contributions. which added elegance and professionalism to the annual day celebration. His creative approach greatly enhanced the overall presentation.
Sound editing done by Mr. Shivkant sir. We sincerely thank Mr. Shivkant for his technical expertise and flawless sound editing, ensuring a seamless and high quality presentation throughout the event. His precision and reliability were instrumental for the program's success. Thank you, sir.
I would like to call our in charge, Miss Akhila here, who whole and soul took this annual day program to her shoulders and tirelessly worked with each and everyone for his grand success. I would like to call Mr. Praveen, our photographer. We appreciate Mr. Praveen for his dedicated photography services, professional documentation and the annual day program. His work captured the essence and memorable moments of the event.
Mr. Vijay, the photography, we commend Mr. Vijay for his commitment and excellence in photography, capturing the event with precision and clarity. His efforts contributed to the presenting events.
Veena and Vijay and Shravan. Now, coming to our sports department, Mr. Vishal. We acknowledge Mr. Vishal for his enthusiastic leadership and safe conduct of the adventure activities, contributing to the dynamism of the annual day. His focus on discipline and safety was highly appreciable.
Mr. Jubair, pyramid activities performed by our sir. We sincerely appreciate Mr. Jubair for his dedicated support and effective coordination in the pyramid activities during the annual day. His cooperation ensured smooth and engaging participation.
Once again, I'm calling Mr. Praveen, our photographer. We appreciate his for his dedicated photography services and professional documentation of the annual day celebration.
Our karate master, Mr. Srikanth. We appreciate Mr. Srikanth for his committed guidance and professional contribution to the successful karate performance. His efforts greatly strengthened the quality of the presentation.
would like to call Miss Priyanka. We acknowledge Miss Priyanka for her dedicated training and graceful presentation of Karate section. Miss Priyanka. Now here is our soul and soul, Miss Akhila, who has taken this complete annual day on her shoulders.
Now we move on to our special contributors, Mrs. Sarayu Chintareddy. We sincerely appreciate Mrs. Sarayu for her valuable support and committed involvement in the successful execution of the annual day. Her reliability and teamwork we truly appreciate. Thank you, ma'am.
I would like to call Miss Siddhi. We thank Miss Siddhi for her dedicated assistance and responsible contribution towards the smooth conduct of the event. Her support played an important role behind the scenes.
Miss Ankita. We acknowledge Miss Ankita for her sincere efforts and supportive role in making the annual day a success. Her cooperation and dedication were noteworthy. Thank you.